Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 14th of September. And first of all, national news. All arrangements in place to prevent Nipah spread. Kerala Health Minister. Karnataka district issued alert following Nipah cases in Kerala. President virtually launched Ayushman Bhav campaign. Airbus handed over first C-295 aircraft to IAF at ceremony in Seville. Government announced all-party meeting on September 17 ahead of Parliament session. Union Cabinet passed a resolution to congratulate PM Modi on G20 summit success. Government will not make 6 airbags mandatory for cars. Nitin Gadkari. Supreme Court asked government to prepare manual for police officers on media briefing. Need to avoid media trial. International news. Russia will win against evil in Ukraine. Kim Jong-un said. China flagged security incidents with the Apple iPhones but no ban yet. Russia will help North Korea build satellites. Putin promised Kim Jong-un. And the EU chief announced major review saying BLOC should grow to over 30 members. France halted iPhone 12 sales over radiation level. And PM Modi is right. Putin's made in India example to Russian automakers. Google paid $10 billion a year to maintain monopoly over online search. US. And now some sports news. Tanisha crashed to Ashwini Podappa entered Hong Kong pre-quarter finals. Lakshya Sen withdrew. No plans for coaching. It's the toughest job. Saina Nehwal on her future. PV Sindhu low on confidence, not a medal favorite at Asian Games. Vimal Kumar. Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik announced rupees 10 lakhs each to the Asian Games qualified Odisha athletes. Now news related to business. No impact on price. India on removing additional duties on US product. RBI asked banks and BFCs to release original movable, unmovable property documents within 30 days of full repayment on loans. August records all-time high e-way bill generation indicating festival demand surge and GST growth. Cabinet approved rupees 1,650 crore to add 75 lakh new Ujjwala scheme connections over 3 years. Cabinet approved rupees 9,589 crore FDI in Suvain Pharmaceuticals by CYPRUS-BASED Farm. And that's all in news. Thank you.